from a humanitarian perspective, we have an obligation in the same way people helped in Ukraine to help so in Turkey and Syria. And more importantly, from an ummah perspective, the only perspective, the best perspective, the perspective that we hold tightly onto. I should not just sit here as a broken man. I break myself in front of Allah, but then I do best with what I have, which is my tongue, and which is my wealth, and which is my effort, to make people aware that there are people on the ground now, in Turkey and in northern Syria, in all the affected areas, who are risking their lives to try and have these miracles happen, where they can still hear voices of children, when they can still hear voices of women. Remember, my brothers and sisters, all those who are listening and who inshallah will soon be listening in South Africa, these are not just lives. There were futures. There were emotions. There were aspirations. There were communities, families, loved ones, husbands, wives, mothers, fathers, sons, daughters, nephews, nieces, cousins, all crushed. But what about those who remain?